Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to One Minute School. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your comment on a YouTube. So to do that, first of all, you should click on the three menu button on YouTube. So I'm gonna click on that, and you can see here a drop down menu like this one. Okay, now scroll down and hit on the history button, history, and yep, we are driving into a new dashboard. Now we should click on the comments. Okay, now you can see here all previous comment. Now if I want edit my comment, or if I want to delete that, we should click on the videos, and then you can see here is my comment. Okay, now we can go to three dot and click on the edit button. Then we can edit here, and if we want to delete that, we can delete here. So that's it.